It's a bird, it's a plane, what is it? I'm Cody, and on this episode of Problem Solved, I've got some weird and fun gadgets that'll add a little extra to your life. Here's an idea. Lamps that don't have to be plugged in. Turns out that's a thing. Rechargeable light bulbs are an easy alternative to the traditional bulb. Plus, they're a lot more versatile. When it comes to color, it can be a warm white, a neutral white, or a cool white. But it can also be red, green, or blue, and a lot of colors in between. Plus, it came with this remote, so I can easily change the brightness and even set a timer. You can use it like a normal light bulb with this base, or you can use it as a standalone light. The light and the base are magnetically connected, so you can use it like this, or like this. Reinventing the light bulb. Amazing. What are they gonna think of next? These are great for bringing light into any room, but my next tip is going to pull back the curtain and show you a whole new way to get the job done. I love to lay in bed in the morning with the sunlight streaming through the windows, but I hate having to get out of bed to open the curtains so that the sunlight can stream through the windows. Now I don't have to. I have robots to do it for me. Aloha Mora. These rechargeable robots live hidden in my curtains, and they make a small but appreciated impact on my mornings and my evenings. They connect to an app that's on my phone, so I can easily open them, close them, or put them somewhere in between. These robots come in different varieties depending on the type of curtain rod you have. And because mine also has a bracket in the middle, I needed to get two. And if you don't have the app handy, you can still use them to open and close your curtains. Just give it a little tug in either direction and it'll take over. Essentially, it works by using magnets and resistance. The magnets tell the curtains where to stop when they're closing, while the resistance tells it where to stop when it's opening. You can create a schedule for the curtains to automatically open or close at any time of day. And you can also connect it to a smart speaker or third-party device, but that does require an additional device. Let's just open this for a little more light. Nope, those are dirty. We're just gonna close those and close those. If I'm cleaning, it's almost a guarantee that I have forgotten to clean my windows. Sorry, Mom. Thankfully, I can have someone or something do it for me. Floors have autonomous vacuums and moppers, so why shouldn't windows also? Yeah, I could do it by hand, but having something like this makes it even easier. Plus, if you've got big windows, this can reach those hard to reach places. It suctions to the window and then it just scoots along cleaning it. It can dust your windows, or you can give it a little spray for a deeper clean. Once it's going, you just let it do its thing. You can control the direction or navigate it to a specific spot just by using the remote. If you want even more out of this robot, try it on other surfaces in your home, like on your floor or in your shower. It does need to be plugged in while it's in use, and it is kind of loud. So you might want to do it when you don't have to be in the same room. It has a pretty secure suction, but it does come with this tether just for some extra safety. Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. Nice. Windows and plants go together like peas and carrots. My final tip is a plant pot with a little personality. Seriously. It might be obvious, but I like houseplants. I also like having tech that helps me care for my plants. I have an autonomous watering system, app-controlled grow lights, and now a smart planter. Look at that face. It's a little grumpy. It's not just a cute face. It'll change expressions if it needs something, and it'll also react if you touch the sides. As a plant owner, I'm often wondering, is my plant happy? Does it get enough light? Does it have enough water? Is the air humid enough? And well, this will tell you that, and then some. It'll also tell you if it needs more of those things, less of those things, or if the conditions are just right. You can also find a lot of the same information in the app. Since it's a smart planter, it's able to give you relevant information based on the plant you've planted. It can also tell you about the weather, the time, and double as a Pomodoro timer. Where am I gonna put you? We'll figure it out.